This is the top accessories of the trackless sliding door. There is a bottom part too. Put it in. Align at the edge. Focus on the hex screw. Screw it. We got two shock absorbers at two edges of the frame. This is the bottom of the door. Unlike the top, there are wheels. Put them in. Tighten the screws. Keep them in line. This is the frame for trackless door. This is the universal parts. Put the top component first. This side with a line is the front side. That is the back. Put it on the frame. Tighten the screws. Now we install the bottom, like before. This side with a line is the front side. That is the back. The front side face exterior. Put it on. Tighten screws. This is the fixed part of the door. Fixed on the wall. Anti-shaking wheels of the bottom. The frame height. From the ground to this top. The height increases 50 mm. Another way, we move the door to here. Then move it other side. Mark dots in the 4 holes. Drill 4 holes on these dots. Screw them. The absorber. Put it in before we install the door. 这样打起来。After assembled the absorber, move it like this. There are 2 absorbers. Move them to the middle. Fasten the metal piece with screws. There are 2 pieces in both sides. A B. Tighten it. That's it. This is the metal part we install. In the bottom, with 2 holes, this is matched to the wheels adjustment hole. Put it on. This metal part has left and right side. This sample is too small and only 1 absorber equipped. Only this side we can see it work.